Okay, Breaker Broke 23, another garage sale find. This is a realistic MTA 8. Mike Tango Alpha 8. AM FM radio. This is tabletop radio is what I call these, and this is AC only. There are no provisions for battery operation whatsoever. This is how I bought it. I have, although, torn it apart and serviced the volume control as usual. Scratchy, very noisy, and you would mess around with this and literally the speaker would want to jump out. So I've got that cleaned up. I also tuner washed the tone control as well. I shouldn't say tuner wash. I deoxed it. Okay, tuning did not need anything. Anyway, it's a pretty cool style, kind of a gold color on the bezel here. It's pretty neat. Like I say, I have not cleaned this up yet. I probably will. I will spend some time on this because this is a pretty nice unit. Average sounding. It's not the best I have, but it's definitely no schlep, that's for sure. I bought this for a whopping $5. I may have paid just a little much for it, but it's a realistic, and I love that Radio Shack stuff. So let's see here. I know nothing about this. You know, when I do these videos, I don't even look up the radios because there's so much misinformation out there. Sometimes I'll try to search for a manual, see when the manual's printed. That'll give me a rough idea of when this was made. But from this styling, I'm going to say this is a 73 to 74 bottle. You know, it's pretty much like all the other ones, although the tuning is a little bass-ackwards here. Generally on most of these radios, the higher scale will be up on the top, like FM 108 and 1600 will be up on top. Same thing with this. But what they did is they put the lowest frequency on top, and then as you work your way down, you come up to the highest frequency. So that's kind of interesting. AM FM switch did not need to be cleaned, although I did. So vinyl wood grain veneer on particle board. Well, let's turn it around and find out what she is made of. So here again, masonite rear panel. I love them. Come on. This is the inside. This is kind of a long throw driver in here. So that's a good bulk driver. Very simple, standard tuning capacitor there. And there are our pots. This one has no power supply hum, so I'm going to leave all the capacitors alone for now. I have operated this radio for a few days, so no problems, no hum developing, no nothing. You know, a lot of these radios are like this. So, yeah, pretty cool. But anyway, there's the insides of it. Okay, there you go. $5 garage sale find. I tried to Jew him down a little bit, but no cigar. They said, if you don't want it, don't take it home. I'm like, oh, crap. Well, because of my sickness, I had to take it home. Folks, I have a problem. I need help. So, if you guys have one of these laying around, you guys know anything about these, school me. Please leave comments down below. Please don't forget to subscribe. I've got more coming. You know, eventually I'm going to reach a point where I have so much of this stuff I'm going to have to eBay them. And I may just start doing that. Or maybe I'll just start selling them from YouTube. Maybe that's the way to go. All right, well anyway, there you go. The realistic MTA-8 AM/FM tabletop radio. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Yada, yada, yada.